Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. It's springtime and the buds on our mulberries are getting ready to break open. In fact, on some of them you can see the mulberries peeking out behind the leaves. We were out here last summer and there was so much foliage it was very difficult to see anything. So I wanted to come out before foliage starts appearing to give you kind of a sense of this space. This area is just one part of our mulberry orchard. We took 3 rows, put them inside a hoop house to accelerate growth and to offset our harvest period. So these 3 rows will ripen and we can harvest them before the other ones outside of the hoop house begin to ripen. In this 700 square foot space, we have 39 mulberry trees and we're coppicing them according to a new method that we're developing, which we will hopefully later this summer. We're going to have a step-by-step video on how to prune them in order to maximize the number of buds per cubic volume. And as spring progresses, we're going to come out here and harvest the mulberries. We're going to keep track of when they're harvesting. We're going to try to get some good size measurements. And hopefully we'll be able to do some taste testing. I don't find myself to be too reliable when it comes to taste testing. They all taste great to me. But I think if we get some blind taste tests going then we could have some pretty good information on what people would find to be good mulberry, and maybe we can rank them. Anyway, we'll be back out here as the mulberries start coming in, and hopefully we'll come out here every week and take a look and see what's going on and start cataloging and describing all these mulberries. Everybody have a great day.